Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Hinihintay nyo ba itong salary differential ninyo? Kung kailan kayo ay na-approve bilang master teacher or using the ERF, yung sa reclassification, well, ito na po. Kung kayo ay nasa school na ito, ay meron na po kayong salary differential. Ito po ay para sa Gainsa National High School, Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School. Naku, ang lalaki ng mga yan. Ito pa, Kulakling National High School, Calabanga National Science High School, Malawag National High School, Juan L. Filipino Memorial High School. Ito pa po, salary differential din para sa mga taga NATO National High School, Don Cerveliano Platon Memorial National High School, Minalabac National High School, Don M. Veneracion National High School, Pamplona National High School, Anawan National High School. Ito pa po, Ocampo National High School, Nabua National High School, Partido Agro-Industrial National High School. Ito pa po, Vivencio Obias Kinalansan National High School. Meron na po kayong NCA para sa cash requirement for the payment of the PEs or salary and RLEF differentials due to 2024 approved ERF. Nako, congrats sa inyo, Ito pa yung Tomas E. Andaya Senior National High School, Santa Justina National High School, Tawug National High School, Santa Lutgarda National High School, Maura Insibulo National High School, Salvacion National High School, Bato. Ito pa po yung Sipokot National High School, Sulpicio Erojo National High School, Villasar National High School, San Jose National High School, Ragay National Agricultural and Fisheries School, Seroma National High School. Ito pa yung San Vicente National High School, Buhi, Division of Ligao City. Naku, ang laki, pang-reclass. At saka promotion sa master teachers, 1.6 million pesos may get. Ito pa, Bicol Regional Science High School, Ligao National High School. Malaki din yung para sa Ligao National High School. Ito pa, Geogracias P. Princesa Memorial High School. Mga ka-Jesnabs, hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. Salamat po sa panonood. By the way, kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, paki-subscribe naman po. Salamat po. Bye-bye.